So once the sheets are given, your time will start. Okay. To the audience, you have got notebook, right? So what is your duty in this 8 minutes is that? So you can pick up any value that you have liked from this session, and you will write what that value means to you and how are you going to practice.
We have got the topic of patriotism. So according to, in our point of view, patriotism is having love towards our country, passion to serve, and it also means that not only thinking that what country has done to us, but it also means what we have done and how we can implement in our life, in our day-to-day life is by following the Swadharma. Like if my Swadharma is like playing or something, so I can become a better sportswoman and help many others, through which we can contribute to the having passion to serve country. It begins from the small way, like helping each other. If there is something need, we can help. We can start with that, and by becoming an ideal student, we can contribute to our
not having hatredness within us or among anybody else. Speaking to each other very kindly and helping each other whenever we all are in need. Serving each other with love. Not hurting any of our classmates whenever they are in need. It may be in academics, paramedia, wherever it may be. We can change others through compassion. Speaking softly, compassionately can be felt in each other's heart. It may be one way. Like this, we can change all of us by forgiving our fellow beings.
Integrity means to have unity in thought, word, and deed. It also means to live up to whatever you have said. The greatest example for this is my dear Narendra. From his life too, we can take this value because since his childhood, he thought of becoming a teacher. Like he wanted to become an ideal teacher. As you all know, that teachers are the one who make the most impact on our society. He thought of becoming a teacher from his childhood, and even though his parents did not agree to it, he did not falter from his decision. Once he took a decision to be a teacher, he achieved becoming a teacher. So we can learn integrity from his life. There is also one shloka which says that Manasekam, Vachasekam, Karmanikam, Mahatmanaha. The one who is wise there is unity of thought, word, and deed in whatever he does. How can we implement this quality in our daily life? First step is reflective thinking. The second step is continuous practice. No one gets to practice qualities in one day or something like that. Overnight, we cannot practice any qualities. Every day, we must practice whatever we have thought of doing. If you have taken to practice the quality of integrity, practice it every day because you have thought about it. You must, when you say it to everyone, you must do it at that. So this
Having a clarity, goal means we live here with a girl who is studying. So we should have clear goal why we are studying. We are studying to we are educating ourselves to educate another one child who is there with us. And this is the reason. This may be our
our reason also. Studying to have we are studying to give education or something to someone, to good to someone. Clear. First, if we don't have clarity in ourselves, we don't have the strength to go forward. The best example of clarity or dedication is Narayan Anna, who has clarity to, who has dedication to achieve his goal. Like he wanted to become a teacher, so he was determined about his goal and he was knowing his reason. So how can we implement this studies? If we have complete focus and have a clear goal, and for that reason, so we have clarity, we are clear in our thoughts, so we don't distract ourselves from our studies, prayers, so we should give ourselves completely to God, so that we, there is something when we connect to God, at that time something we change. When we see God in front of us, after seeing God, automatically we start behaving in a different manner. Like how when we go to Swami, Saffar Satsang, at that time after we see Swami, we feel to change ourselves and become like Him. Having clarity, knowing the reason behind their goal, having a dedication. So our dedication should be to study and make difference in our society. Like if we are studying, we should make another educated person. It's about our work, what we do. If example, if our teacher doesn't have dedication to their work, so we could not learn much, and we could be. A soldier can be dedicated to the country. A doctor can be dedicated his or her work to the patient.